Who's that one from?
Debbie.
Yeah. Here.
Get it out.
Here, I'll help you with. There you go. Okay.
Put my out. Put out. Every tiny book. And this is mine.
Yep,
It's
that's
yours, yeah.
From Aunt Debbie.
Pull it open. You have to pull all that paper off.
Pull hard. Pull hard. Good job.
You think it's another coloring book? Maybe. That's a good guess. Oh, what is that? A book about horses.
I'll get her.
Open.
Oh my goodness.
Open.